Hello guys, today in this video I am going to review this mini wireless keyboard with touchpad and give you my opinion about this cute little mini keyboard. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Well guys, this keyboard comes with this kind of packaging style. I got this device from banggood.com. The link of this device are on description below. Okay guys, now let's have a quick unbox this mini wireless keyboard. You will get another white box into that packet. In this box you will get an USB cable. You have to use this USB cable to recharge your wireless mini keyboard battery with adapter or any USB power source. Also you will get a user manual where you will get the brief instruction of using this keyboard and also the keyboard. Here is our mini wireless keyboard. This wireless keyboard looks very little and cute on hands, and also it's very lightweight. Now let's have a closer look on this keyboard. Here you will get a touchpad on this top. With this you can control your mouse cursor. Also it supports any kinds of gesture. On the left hand side you will get some media player button which can be used to control the volume and the media play and pause, and also have some action or shortcut button like browser, internet, email, mouse click, search and many more. As well as on right hand side you will get some more shortcut button and gaming keys. All the keys are very smooth and backlit. You can on off the backlit using function plus F6 key. The whole body of this keyboard made with smooth plastic and nice grippy style. Backside of this keyboard you will get a battery compartment. Here you will get 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, and a Wi-Fi adapter. Top of this keyboard you will see a mini USB charging port and the power on key. Overall, this is a very nice and useful wireless keyboard which can be used like your keyboard and mouse too. This keyboard supports any kind of PC or operating system like Windows and Linux. As well as you can use this wireless keyboard with your mobile phone via OTG cable. Also you can use this keyboard for typing. I use this keyboard for chatting and it works very well. It feels like typing on mobile phone. The gaming key response time are very well. You can smoothly play any kind of racing game with this keyboard and it will work very well. One of the best reason I choose this device, that is I can use this wireless keyboard with my Raspberry Pi 3. It's take my Pi 3 hacking kit to the next level. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. So give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel with the notification on to get all the latest video tutorials. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing off.